So check this out. Today I am making a rich and cheesy Mexican keto lasagna, vibrant pickled cabbage slaw, creamy avocado crema, and I'm tackling all the prep work for Mexican-inspired keto meals that you can make later in the week. And the best part, I am going to prep all of this in just 1 hour. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan. I am a keto coach and certified advocate through the Metabolic Terrain Institute of Health. I restarted my keto journey on January 1st of this year, and it has been amazing so far. So my blood sugars are stable. I'm in a low level of ketosis, and I feel incredible. Steady energy, mental focus, and the best feeling of knowing that I'm supporting my longevity goals. So to make sure that I stay consistent, I rely on meal prep. It helps me take the guesswork out of dinner, especially during busy work nights. And this week, I am leaning into a Mexican-inspired theme because my family loves Mexican food. It's one of the few things we can all agree on. So today I'm gonna show you how I meal prep for the week in just 1 hour. I'll prep everything you need for a delicious Mexican keto lasagna, plus get set up for some stuffed peppers, some taco bowls, and a few flavorful sides. So let's get started. We're starting the foundation of the week with ground beef. I'm cooking up 3 pounds with simple seasonings like onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. A third of this will go into the lasagna and the rest will be stored in the freezer and used for the stuffed peppers and the taco bowls later in the week. So ground beef is so versatile and it is incredibly nutritious. It has several essential nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, selenium, many of the B vitamins, and much more. And a 4-ounce serving provides about 20 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of carbs. So it has amazing nutrition and it's affordable. So next up, we're making this cheesy Mexican-inspired keto lasagna. I'm going to use egg wraps instead of noodles, a creamy ricotta mixture with seasoned beef, and enchilada sauce for bold Mexican flavors. All right, here are our ingredients. We have our ground beef, ricotta, Mexican style blend. We have enchilada sauce. We're gonna use some fire roasted tomato. And we're using this egg life as our lasagna noodles. So we're gonna start by chopping up some onions for our ground beef. We have 3 pounds of ground beef that we are going to prep. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, and we're going to add some onion and garlic. We're gonna use some packaged garlic. Okay, I'm gonna take the ground beef. We're gonna split it in half because my pan is not big enough for the whole thing. All right, you hear that sizzle. So while the beef is cooking down, we're going to start working on the lasagna. I'm going to add the ricotta cheese. We'll add 1 egg. I'm going to add some oregano. And this is some of the seasoning blend that I'm going to be using for the taco meat. This has chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper. So we're gonna add a small amount of this, along with some smoked paprika. Also going to add some cotija cheese. I'm gonna go in with about half a cup. I'm gonna season this up with a little salt and a little freshly cracked black pepper. And we're gonna go in with our seasonings. All right, so we're gonna add some fire roasted diced tomatoes. So we're gonna begin assembling. So we're gonna take a bit of our enchilada sauce. We're gonna spread it along the bottom. We're gonna take our egg life wraps and I'm gonna cut them in half so that they're more like strips. And I'm gonna layer them along the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to spread a layer of our meat mixture. We're gonna go in with about 1/3 of the beef, and then 1/3 of the ricotta. And a little bit of cheese. And then we repeat that process to make 3 layers. Some sliced jalapeno. We're gonna cover this with foil, pop it into a 350-degree oven. I don't eat wheat, but I have seen these made with low-carb flour tortillas and even zucchini slices. So each serving has about 6 grams of net carbs and over 25 grams of protein, making it a filling and satisfying meal. So dishes like this hold up really well to reheating and can be easily doubled if you have a lot of mouths to feed. So while the lasagna bakes, I'm gonna whip up a quick pickled cabbage slaw. So this slaw adds crunch and tang to taco bowls, or it makes a great side dish. I'm using cabbage, carrot, and onion tossed in a mix of vinegar, salt, oregano, and crushed pepper. And this slaw can be stored in the fridge for up to a week, and it really gets better the longer that it sits. And I'm pushing down on it to get it all fully submerged in the liquid. So we're gonna let this sit for about 24 hours on the counter. Next, I'm chopping zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus for some roasted veggies later in the week. And I like to have veggies ready to toss with olive oil and some simple spices for a quick sheet pan side dish. So these veggies I plan to pair alongside the lasagna, or I may have them with a side of eggs for a quick 5-minute dinner. So if you're looking for other low-carb veggies that you can eat freely on keto, consider broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, turnips, parsnips, and yellow squash. Those are great low-carb options. So my Mexican-inspired week would not be complete without avocado crema. I love making sauces as they can really elevate dishes and make simple dishes like a beef bowl feel more luxurious and special. So this dressing comes together in a pinch. I simply blend avocado, sour cream, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. And it is a creamy, tangy topping that you can use on everything, really, from taco bowls to roasted veggies or scrambled eggs. So with these basics prepped, your dinners are practically done for the week. Delicious. You can make the stuffed bell peppers with the leftover ground beef. Just scoop and hollow out the peppers, stuff with the beef, sprinkle with cheese, and bake in the oven. And you can build taco bowls also with that ground beef. I like to start with cauliflower rice, and I use the frozen version to save time, and it really reheats in a pinch. And I'll add toppings like lettuce, tomato, the pickled slaw, the avocado crema. These quick and easy dinners are perfect for busy weeknights and will help you stay on track with your keto goals. There you have it. 1 hour of prep on a Sunday, and you are set for the week with flavorful, keto-friendly dinners. All right, so we're gonna go in for a taste. Looks so good. So I hope I've inspired you to try these recipes. Would you give this Mexican keto lasagna a shot? Let me know in the comments below and tell me how your keto journey is going. I'd love to hear about your wins, your challenges, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more keto tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.